Has this ever happened to you? Ever wonder why? This occurs because water contains calcium and magnesium. Presenting the new self-cleaning shower from Jaquar. Consisting of a snug-fitting pore and spoke arrangement. Switching on the water pushes the pore plate outward, providing an even and immersive flow. Upon cutting off water supply, spring action kicks in and the two plates join precisely. In this action, the spoke plate clears out any blockages to the pores, preventing line scaling and calcification before it settles. This revolutionary shower head will make your bathing experience top-notch every time, throughout time.